Good afternoon everyone. So today we will discuss about the Israel-Iran war. As you know that war is ongoing. Let me explain, and one thing very important. Something massive is happening in the Middle East, not in secret, not quietly, but in full view of the world. Iran, Israel are firing missiles. America is preparing for involvement. This story could change the balance of global power. The Bible said thousands of years ago, Jerusalem will be a burden to all nations. So let's start. Is this just another war in the Middle East? Or are we watching the flames of prophecy ignite in real time? The world is on edge, missiles are flying, civilians are dying, and yet most people have no idea what this really means. Stay with me because in the next 5 minutes I will reveal what mainstream media want. So first thing is, over 400 Iranian missiles and 1000 plus drones launched targeting Israeli cities, military bases and hospitals. Soroka hospital in Beersheba was hit and civilians injured. Israel responded with surgical airstrikes, destroying Iran's missile launchers and nuclear infrastructure, including the Arak heavy water facility. This is not a skirmish, this is full-scale warfare between Israel and Iran. When a hospital becomes a battlefield, humanity loses. United States President Trump approved preemptive strike plans against Iran, waiting for the right moment. American carrier strike groups are now in the region. Bunker busting bombs are being debated. Over 30 plus countries, I am again telling you, over 30 plus countries are evacuating their citizens. India also launched Operation Sindhu, saving 110 plus nationals. Europe calls for diplomacy, but the fire is spreading everywhere. So why is Israel always at the center of world conflict? This teeny nation has faced wars for over 3000 years, yet survives and thrives. According to biblical prophecy, Jerusalem will be a cup of trembling for the nations. Iran's leadership has openly vowed to wipe Israel off the map. This is not politics, it's a spiritual rebellion. Iran calls it resistance, Israel calls it defense, the West calls it strategy. But spiritually, this is a war of light versus darkness, truth versus deception, and God's plans versus man's pride. Why does the world ignore 600 plus Iranian deaths but amplify the Israel's every move? Because there is a deep spiritual bias, a hatred for God's chosen purpose. And whether you believe in prophecy or not, what is happening now was written thousands of years ago. This is not just about Iran or Israel, this is about you and me, our souls, our destiny. Because the greatest war is not outside, it's inside, between truth and deception. So this is the video where we discussed about the Israel and Iran updates. So please subscribe the YouTube channel, and thanks for watching. Thank you.